If you're self-publishing on Amazon, then you should be leveraging Amazon Author Central. But what is Amazon Author Central? Well, in their words, Amazon Author Central lets you create your author page where you can share the most up-to-date information about yourself and your books with millions of readers. Helps readers find your books easily and in one place. That's all well and good, but where is Amazon Author Central available? Well, it's available in the US, the UK, Germany, France, India, Japan, Spain, Italy, and Brazil. Now, I can speculate, I'm just merely speculating on this, that it's going to be available in all regions eventually. And keep in mind, some of the features that are available in some areas aren't available in other areas. So there's just regional accessibility for some of these things. And I'll mention that as we go through this comprehensive overview. What's in it for you? Well, here's the deal. It's a one-stop shop that you can send all of your readers to. It's also great for self-publisher resources and information about your author brand. And also, there's a really nice feature. When you do have an author profile on Amazon, there's a follow feature. So if somebody visits your page, they click that follow, when you release another title, they'll be notified by email, and then they're going to be more apt to go ahead and buy another one of your books. Stick around to the very end because I'm going to show you the various features and how to set up and access each one of them inside Author Central. It's going to blow your mind at all the things they have available to you for free. First thing, you're going to go and visit author.amazon.com to set up an account. You're going to use your KDP login or any Amazon associated login. You can also access this through your KDP dashboard if you go over to the marketing tab, and you're just going to select Author Central from there and it'll drop you into the account. Okay, so here's the 8 features in Amazon Author Central. We're going to take it one at a time, and I've saved the best for last. Number 1, add your books to an author page. Select the Books tab at the top of Author Central. Click Add It Now in the paragraph at the top. Now type the title, ISBN, ASIN, or author name. I prefer using the ASIN. It seems to pull it up every time. And as soon as you see your title there, you're just going to select it and essentially add it to your thing. And as soon as you confirm that you're the author, it should drop it right into your account. And within a few business days, it'll appear inside your author profile. Number 2, add your bio. Now this is available in different languages in different regions, so this is pretty cool. Click Profile at the top of the dashboard. Select the region appropriate language. Click Edit, then type in your bio. Once you're set, click Preview Bio, then Publish Bio once you're satisfied. Number 3, add photos and videos. Click Profile on the top of the dashboard. To edit your author photo, click the pencil icon just below the author profile. Then upload your photo. Now keep in mind, it'll need to be at least 300 pixels by 300 pixels in a JPEG, PNG, or GIF. And I'm not really sure how a GIF would work because I don't know that it actually stays active on your profile. In the profile section, you can also upload additional pictures or videos. You can select Upload Media, then click Upload Photo. It has the same requirements as the profile picture, or click Upload Video. The video must be under 500 megabytes, so you can't have some gigantic video file or epic movie that you're going to upload there. The file format needs to be AVI, FLV, MOV, MPEG, WMW, or MP4. Number 4, check your Amazon bestseller rank. Now this is available for 5 of the 13 regions that you're able to publish through Kindle Direct Publishing. You're going to select View Sales Rank in the dashboard. You can select from the 5 of the 13 regions, which includes US, UK, Germany, France, and Japan. Next, you can select your author name in the next drop-down. And you can select the specific book you want in the last drop-down. Keep in mind, you can also choose the formats and editions. And also view the historical sales rank. Then you can narrow it down to 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and all available. Much like the previous step, you can view the ABSR for various formats and editions. Number 5, check customer reviews. Select View Customer Reviews in the dashboard. You can sort by region and filters. Only 9 of the 13 regions are available, but this is going to be more than sufficient. And select a specific book you want in the second filter. When you want to see the review on Amazon, simply click the link at the bottom of each review. There used to be a comment feature on Amazon for each one of the reviews, but they've since removed that. But when you go visit it over on Amazon, there's a little helpful button. So if you particularly like a specific review, you can always hit that helpful button. Number 6, add editorial reviews. Now just a heads up, this is only available in the US. I imagine, again, they're gonna probably roll this out to other regions, but here we are. This actually appears in the section just below your book description and right above the product details. All right, we're gonna go back over into your dashboard and select the Books tab. You must have the marketplace set at Amazon.com because this is US only. Select the title you want to add the editorial review section to. Pick either the Kindle or paperback version. Sadly, it's not available for audiobooks. Then hit Edit Book Details. The rest is fairly intuitive, but it gets a little tricky. In fact, I'm going to do an entire video on how to use this entire area without pulling your hair out. You can see I didn't get that far because, yeah, well. Number 7, share blog feeds. Again, this is US only. So do you have a blog? Well, you can now actually attach the feed to your author profile. So anytime that you do a blog post on your website, it'll actually appear in a quick link over on your author profile, so then people see what you're doing on a regular basis. Go back to the Edit Profile feature, select Add Blog, then click Add Feed. If you're new to blog feeds, you can get more info when you visit Learn More, then that link is at the top of the page there. Number 8, check BOOKSCAN sales info. Again, US only. Essentially, this is how BOOKSCAN works. It tracks point of sales for your books in specific regions. Now for this one, it's just US only. So anytime someone scans your book or it's checked out, say at like a bookstore or bought somewhere, then it will go through BOOKSCAN. Now here's the beauty of it is this tracks it via regions. So for the US, it'll show and it'll break down to various cities and show you where it's most popular. This might help you out when you're doing marketing and promotion. So if you're running Facebook ads or you're doing any kind of author appearances, you can always use this data to know,
okay, I'm popular in Los Angeles or I'm popular in New York.
Go to the Reports and Marketing tab at the top of the dashboard. Select View Report in the BOOKSCAN box. Now you can see your author brand and how it does overall in the US. You can select the book, but as you kind of see, it's rather clunky with no search feature. And if you've got a big backlog of books, good luck trying to find the specific book that you want. And you can even narrow it down by 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 52 weeks, and all available. And now you select Sale by Geography. Now you can actually see all the different regions that it's available through. It's fairly intuitive. Then you can see, oh, okay, I've got a big following out in New York or up in Detroit. Things like that, it'll help you out in the long term. Hey, I actually got an entire video. This is gonna seem really confusing, but hear me out. Why you should not be publishing on Amazon KDP. Actually, I talk about it right here. You might wanna watch that one. And if you already seen that, YouTube says you should go check out this one. I'll see you in either one.